Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner, and I will be using these really pretty foiled stickers that I found at the Dollar Tree. They are butterflies and flowers, so really super pretty. I found these last week, so that they should still be at your store. I also have these two foiled washi tapes, the turquoise and the pink, so I'm going to use those. And then I will pull from my Mombi Create the 365 sticker books here. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. Alright, so here's my final spread. I really love this. I just love all the foiling on these stickers. They're super pretty. This made for a quick layout, and there's lots of space for writing stuff. I thought it really coordinated with these two washi tapes that I had, and I don't know, I just loved it. And I brought in a few elements for my sticker pads to add some to-do lists here. So it just turned out really great. I hope that you guys are able to find these really super pretty spring flower stickers at the Dollar Tree. And I will see you again on another Plan With Me video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and subscribe. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you coming by and watching my videos. And I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.